Hi everyone, I'm Brian Ewell, the Master Superintendent of Uplands Golf Club. I'm over here on the left of our ninth hole, and over the next few weeks we'll be mowing down many of our naturalized grassland areas to try and reintroduce the Garry Oak Meadows, which we enjoyed many years ago. Garry Oak Meadows are well known for their spring show of wildflowers such as camas, white fawn lily, western buttercup, and also sea brush. Mowing is one of the best management practices to enhance the Garry Oak Meadows for two reasons. Number one, mowing will actually help control some of the noxious weeds that we find in these meadows, such as the Himalayan blackberry, the spurge laurel, English ivy that we see sometimes climbing up our Garry Oaks, as well as the English holly. Secondly, mowing helps to open up the ground layer so sunlight can reach low-lying plants, as well as warming up seed that is found in this area. One of the first areas to be done will be here on the left of the ninth or to the left of our eighth green, and our goal is to restore these Garry Oak meadows and enjoy wildflowers that can be found in these meadows. If you come with me, and you can see we've ran a flail mower through this path here. The flail mower will come along, it has blades and it's able to thrash up the ground, and rather than having grasses that are up to 2 to 3 feet tall, limiting air and sunlight movement, the flail mower now opens up the canopy where these low-lying ground plants can grow, as well as now the soils can warm up and we can start to see these beautiful shows of the fawn lily that we saw many years ago. As the picture shown, this whole area behind me had a nice crop of wildflowers. So over the next spring, hopefully we'll see a new introduction of wildflowers and we'll have some nice colors that we can enjoy throughout the golf course. Happy golfing, everyone.